Let's talk about my rig. So I had this custom made. So it has an asador cross. Then we have a rotisserie over here. So basically you can change the attachments. So I can have two asador crosses here. So for example, I have a lamb over here, then some beef or a whole pig over here. So we don't waste so much fuel. So we can adjust the levels of the cross. So it has like a 90 angle, then around the 70 degree angle, then a 45-degree angle. If there are any comments about my rig, post in the comments below and I'll try to answer questions. If there's any suggestions also, I'd appreciate it. This motor is from China. It can hold around 60 to 70 kilos. It's a consistent spin. And these are just hollow blocks I use, so I won't waste so much heat.